So this guy is everybody's favorite consumer law expert. I'm sure you've seen him on YouTube. I used to have a lot of respect for this guy, especially when I was using consumer laws. But come to find out, he's more full of shit than anything, excuse my language, and I don't care if he sees this. But one of the things that he talks about that is so incorrect is that child support is illegal to be on your credit report. And I'm going to put some screenshots up here that prove child support is not illegal to be on your credit report. There is so much misinformation when it comes to your credit report and when it comes to credit repair. So just because somebody sounds like they know what they're saying doesn't mean they know what they're saying. Now, I'm not saying I know everything, but y'all know me. I'm going to expose everybody that is on this platform, social media in general. I'm going to expose them because y'all deserve to know the truth about this stuff. So most of the stuff is regurgitated information. Y'all probably heard me say that a lot too. Once somebody that's got a big platform like him says it, then everybody starts saying it. Kind of like the freezing the secondary bureaus, which is still bullshit too, just being honest with you. So just be careful who you are listening to. A lot of times when it comes to the consumer laws, the reason that you don't really understand these laws is because they're only telling you like 15 U.S. Code 1681-I-5, and that's all they tell you. And they may give you a sentence or two. They're not giving you the full breakdown of that consumer law, and that's where it can become very, very confusing. So when it comes to child support on a credit report, it can be on your credit report according to 15 U.S.C. 1681s-1. If y'all have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.